Hey folks, it's Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar. Thanks for watching this video. This is the biggest project I've ever done to date. It's a Sinclair ground mount Sky Rack 2.0, and if you're considering doing a solar project, this is the easiest and best ground mount you can do. I ship these all over the country. I help people design and install them. And if you are looking for solar, don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks for watching.
So actually pretty simple the way that we laid this thing out. We drove a stake here. We did a straight line facing south, pulled a string line super tight. You can watch lots of videos on how to get a string line tight. But we got a line really tight this way, and then we got a line really tight this way, really tight string line. And then we used accurate tapes. I'll show you the metal tape we used. And we did our 3, 4, 5 triangle to square these two lines to each other. Now, once we had these lines square, really good and square, we ended up running another line from that end all the way down. So we had basically an open rectangle. And then we just came down. We knew where we wanted our first array. We drove a stake, stretched a string, pulled our distance between our arrays, which was 29 feet, I think. Drove another stake, stretched a string to there, did a 3, 4, 5 triangle with a tape, got it straight. Drove another stake, 29 feet, 3, 4, 5 triangle, another string, and we just stretched our string lines out super tight every time. And we just came down the line with a post driver and ran our posts in the ground. Looking pretty dang straight too. Got the material delivered to the job. Didn't try to transport it all here. And all in all, this job has gone really well. Very thankful. And I'm really glad it's done. But now I know that, if you want a project this big or you're looking at a bigger solar project, we can do it for you.